Next in our tour of Insert Learning, let's see what it looks like from a student's point of view. Here's my hypothetical student. She has this assignment. It's a short story that we read. This is an Insert Learning assignment, so students will know that if they read it as they're looking at the assignment. Now, my girl got a 0 out of 100 because she didn't do it on time, but I think she can still get in and do that. She's going to add this to Chrome because she hasn't used it before. And from there, we're going to manage the extension and turn on sync and whatever else we need to do. And here's the story. I cancel that. So I'm going to sign in with Google, just like my students are going to do, just like your students are going to do. Allow it. It's just going to look at your classes so you can get it loaded into everything. Welcome to this lesson. Here's this. There's questions at the end. Use the highlight tool to highlight an example of parallel structure. So notice the student view has got the ability to get to some settings, to the highlight tool, and insert a sticky note. So she's going to highlight this sentence, for example, and there's the highlight. And then reading, looking at, putting in some kind of a comment. I don't connect this song to anything. Maybe it's just repetitive enough to be cute to a baby. What's a cradle? Thing a baby sleeps in. Here's that. What does this tell you about his aspirations? He wants to be rich and respected. What does it tell you about this? It's sad. It's whatever. It's a variation of the first song. He's not very creative. Who knows? What kind of a phrase is this? It's a dependent clause. Here's the rest of this. Why do you have an ache in his stomach? He overate like a pig, which he did kind of. What is his dream? Still wants to be rich. Wants his wife to be happy. Here's the rest of this. Do you agree with that? Here's a multiple choice question. Here's all the answers that the person wanted to put in. Yes. And now I've done the work. I don't have to do anything else as a student because it's already here in Insert Learning. I can go back over here and hit resubmit. That will mark it as done, so my teacher will know that it's done. And the next step for my teacher is my teacher, whoever that may be, in this case me, to get into my Insert Learning account and dashboard and grade that assignment, which I will do next. That's what it looks like in student view, to very simply get in, put in the information, and work with the passage that you wanted your students to work with. So that's all there is to it on the student side.